We've all been in a place where we're distracted by our phones, waiting to pitch into a conversation, and our minds wandering everywhere except where we're supposed to be. And everything that the person has just said is a blur. This is because we tend to not actively listen. So what happens when we do not actively listen? We tend to miss out on valuable information as well as making valuable connections. So I'm going to give you a few points to master active listening. 1. Make sure that person has your undivided attention. 2. Do not make interruption. Allow the person to finish speaking before you make your own points. 3. Ask questions for clarification to make sure that you've understood their perspective clearly. And 4. You can always summarize the points. So the next time you're in a conversation, always remember to actively listen. Thank you.